What quantity of charge must be delivered by a battery with a potential difference of 100 volts to do 500 joule of work? Option A 5 coulomb, option B zero point 0.5 coulomb, option C 50 coulomb, and option D 500 coulomb. First of all, we will write down the data as always. We have to find the charge. We are given voltage equals to 100 volt and energy is equals to 500 joules. Now let us solve it, and we know the equation of energy, voltage and charge is as V is equals to E divided by Q. Rearrange the equation to find Q. Q will become equals to E over V. Now we just put in the values of E and V. E is 500 and V is 100 volts. So what do we get? We get 5 coulomb. Charge is equals to 5 coulomb. This is the answer. And from option we can see that this is option number A. So our correct answer is A 5.